Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So first of all, you want to open up Settings app. Here scroll down and look for the additional settings category that looks just like so. At the additional settings you want to go straight for the keyboard and input method. Here choose what keyboard is currently activated. In my case, and by default, it is always going to be the Gboard. So tap on it. At the Gboard settings page you want to open Preferences section. And here all that it's left to do is to turn on number row switch, and as you will see now, the separate number line has successfully appeared on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.